Welcome to this short tutorial designed to help you access and navigate the forms that you need for providing feedback on your student teachers. After connecting to the WOU network and opening FileMaker Pro, accessing EdSmart in the Student Information Database will automatically direct you to the EdSmart main menu. From here, you'll want to click on the first button, Field Supervisors, Enter Assessment Records. When you do so, you'll see directions to select your name from a list and press Go. This will direct you to a page with your name on top. This is your personal field supervisor page. It has your personal contact information, your field supervisor ID, and a portal with several tabs. This page is still under construction. We are still working out some of the kinks in order to make your experience as user-friendly as we can. Your best bet for now is to simply stay focused on the essentials, which are your student teachers' names and links to the feedback forms. Both of these can currently be found on the Testing tab, so called because it is still in process. Your students' names are listed on the left side of this portal in alphabetical order by first name. If you have many students, you may need to scroll down to find a particular name. If a student's name is missing from the list, simply click on the orange Missing a Student button toward the top right side of the page. When you do so, a message will pop up on the next screen instructing you to type the student's last and first name in the corresponding fields. Click OK and type the name. Let's say I want to add Sarah Murphy to my student list. I type in her name and hit Enter. When Sarah's name appears, I click in the ID field on the Field Supervisor tab and select My ID. This links her to my supervisor page. Now I click back to the Field Supervisor Info page, and there she is, between Goofy Dog and Testy Tester. If you need to remove a student, repeat this step. Only this time, remove your ID and name from the field supervisor fields by highlighting and deleting. Go back to the supervisor info page, and the student's name is gone. Now to fill out the forms. The forms for each student have been abbreviated next to their names. Hover over the abbreviations to see the full titles, and click on the form name that you'd like to use. Let's say I'd like to fill out the first in-task formative evaluation for my star student Cinderella Castle. I click on the NTFE1, and it takes me to Cinderella's page with the desired form visible. I am ready to fill in the form. I type in the date and now for the scoring. On the hard copy paper version of this form, you would write in the score. On this digital version, you have the option of choosing from a drop-down list. Another handy feature is the Pre-Populate button, which will fill in all the fields with a pre-programmed value, in this case DP, or Developing Proficiency. When the majority of your scores are the same, this saves you the hassle of repeatedly entering the same information over and over. With one click, all of the information is entered. Then, if a few of the scores are different, you can manually change those few. Don't worry if you make a mistake. The Clear Fields button will return the fields to blanks. After you finish filling out the rest of the required information on the form, click Submit. This will return you to the Supervisor Info page and display a black circle next to the form label, indicating that this form has been completed.